Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the best fall hairstyles for women over 50. Looks that are chic, youthful and easy to maintain. As the weather gets cooler and the colors of autumn arrive, it's the perfect time to refresh your look with a new haircut or hairstyle that adds warmth and life to your appearance. Let's get started. First up, we have the layered bob. This timeless haircut is always a favorite among women over 50. The layers add movement and body, which is perfect if you have fine or thin hair. A layered bob sits beautifully around the jawline or just below the chin, giving your face a soft, lifted look. Add a few suitable highlights in warm caramel or honey tone, perfect for the cozy fall season. Next is the shoulder length shake. This hairstyle is trendy in 2025 and works wonders for adding volume and texture. The soft layers frame your face and give you a youthful, relaxed vibe. You can wear it straight, wavy or slightly messy. It looks amazing in every style. It's also super easy to maintain, look effortlessly chic, whether you're at work or enjoy a fall evening out. If you like short hair, try the modern pixie cut. This is a confident, stylish haircut that gives your look a fun and energetic boost. Pixie cuts are perfect for fall because they are quick to style and always look neat. Add some texture on top and side swap bangs for a modern twist. It's bold, beautiful and full of personality. Another great choice is the long bob or lob. This hairstyle is a little longer than the classic bob and works perfectly for women who want something elegant yet low maintenance. It flatters every face shape and looks great with soft curls or loose waves. A lob also gives your hair movement a volume while keeping it easy to style every morning. Now let's talk about bangs. Adding curtain bangs or soft side bangs can instantly make you look more youthful and fresh. They help frame your face beautifully and soften fine lines, giving your hairstyle a gentle feminine feel. For those who love keeping a bit of length, a layered medium cut is perfect for fall. The layered gives your hair bounce while the length makes it easy to tie up the level loose. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah.